From a single spark in the ocean to creatures that ruled the skies. This is the story of how life rose from water to land, how giants walked the earth, and how the stars became mirrors for human wonder. In this episode, we journey through 5 epics: the Cambrian Explosion, the conquest of land, the reign and fall of the dinosaurs, the rise of mammals and humankind, and finally, the question that still echoes in our time: what future will we choose? In the beginning, there was only silence, a world asleep beneath endless oceans, untouched by thought, untouched by dreams. Yet somewhere, in the dark, swirling waters, a miracle stirred. From a single fragile cell, a journey began. Not measured in days, nor in years, but in eons. A story written not in ink, but in stone, in wind, in water. From creatures smaller than dust, to forests that brush the skies, to civilizations that would one day gaze at the stars. How did life rise from a whisper in the deep to a force that would shape the face of a planet? This is the story of us, of struggle, of triumph, of destiny. Around 541 million years ago, the world trembled with unseen potential. In the silent, restless seas, something extraordinary was unfolding. Life, once invisible and simple, burst into a dazzling array of forms. Creatures with shells, creatures with eyes, predators that hunted, prey that fled. For the first time, the oceans echoed with movement, with hunger, with survival. This was the Cambrian Explosion, life's first great awakening, and with it, the ancient seas would never be silent again. Around 400 million years ago, the oceans were no longer silent. Life thrived in a symphony of color and movement. But the seas grew crowded, competition fierce, and so life gazed upward to the barren, windswept shores beyond. The first explorers emerged, tiny plants anchoring to the rock, insects crawling from tide pools, amphibians gasping, dragging themselves onto dry land. It was a slow, clumsy conquest, but each faltering step was a bold defiance of the impossible. For the first time, life touched the sky. And the earth, once ruled only by waves, was now claimed by creatures that could walk beneath the sun. By 250 million years ago, the earth belonged to giants. From steaming swamps to sun-scorched plains, titanic beasts roamed. Fierce, elegant, unstoppable. Some soared through the skies with wings like sails. Others thundered across the land, their footsteps shaking the earth. Colors blazed across armored scales. Eyes gleamed with ancient cunning. It was an age of power, an age of wonder, an age ruled by the dinosaurs. For millions of years they reigned supreme, masters of a living, breathing world. But even the greatest empires are not eternal. Approximately 65 million years ago, the sky caught fire from the edge of space. A mountain of stone fell, a titan crashing from the heavens. In seconds, the world changed forever. Shockwaves flattened forests. Firestorms swept the globe. Ash and darkness blotted out the sun. The age of dinosaurs ended in chaos and fire. 3 out of every 4 species vanished. But extinction was not an end. It was a doorway, and through it, new life would find a way. In the shadow of catastrophe, life stirred anew. Tiny mammals, once hiding beneath the feet of giants, emerged into a world transformed. They grew bolder, they grew stronger. They spread across continents once ruled by monsters. Forests thickened, mountains rose, rivers carved new paths. And from the wild tapestry of life, something astonishing appeared. Creatures who shaped stone into tools, who painted stories on cave walls, who gazed into the night sky and wondered, Homo sapiens, the storytellers of the stars. From humble origins, humanity would rise and alter the face of the planet, more profoundly than any species before. Today, we are the architects of Earth's future. The forces we unleashed shape forests and rivers. They carve mountains and melt glaciers. We stand at a crossroads. Ahead lies a future rich with wonder or fraught with loss. Will we build cities among the stars? Will we heal the wounds we've carved into our only home? Or will our chapter end? Lost to the dust of time, the next great epoch has not yet been written. Its authors are us. For over 4 billion years, Earth has been a story of fire, of storms, of miracles, a place where oceans were born from rain, where life clawed its way from the mud to dance among the stars. We are the latest chapter, but the pen is in our hands. What will we write? Will we choose hope or extinction? Will our story end with regret or with wonder? The Earth's story is not yet finished, and today we are the ones who shape its next great chapter. The future awaits.